Hey, it's James Nicholson and I'm in Saigon, or Ho Chi Minh as it's now known. You can see absolutely crazy here. Look at all the traffic everywhere in there. And I'm often asked in business, what's the best traffic for your business? Now, there's all different types of businesses that we work with and lots of different traffic sources. It could be email marketing, could be YouTube, could be Google via SEO, or it could also be Google via the AdWords platform. You've got social media, you've got things like Twitter, Pinterest, and lots of other stuff. Now, in my opinion, Facebook advertising is the best strategy for the traffic for your business. The reason for that is because it's so versatile. Every type of business can get focused leads on there. The platform is absolutely incredible. You can target people that are business owners, you can target people that are engaged, you can target people by location. The targeting options on Facebook are absolutely incredible. You can even target your existing customers, so you can upload your database already so you can continue to sell more of those people. You could upload your existing customers into Facebook and create what's called a lookalike audience and find similar people on Facebook. So whatever type of business you're in, whether it's business to business, business to consumer, your sales and leads are all on Facebook. And I've never found a business yet that couldn't use Facebook advertising to effectively grow their business. So that's the best strategy, or the best place for traffic at the moment is Facebook advertising. It's very, very cheap and it can really change your business. Now, I'd love to show you how to use Facebook advertising more effectively in your business, and I do that at an event called the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. In the description of this video is a link to get yourself a free ticket to the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. I'd love to see you there, so do that right now, grab yourself a free ticket and I'll see you there. Cheers guys, bye bye.